Hi, I'm Isaac Ronquillo with the Curt Group. Today we're introducing our new heavy-duty deep drop ball mounts. Currently in the Curt lineup, we have the 45900 and 45902 6-inch deep drop ball mounts, available with a 2 and 5/16 and a 2-inch ball. Recently, we've introduced a new 10-inch drop ball mount for vehicles that have lift kits or that are just exceptionally high. What's unique about our deep drop ball mounts is you don't lose any towing capacity with the ball mount. These are available with a 2-inch shank diameter, 2.5-inch shank diameter, or a 3-inch shank diameter, with the tow rating of 14,000 pounds on the 2-inch, 20,000 pounds on the 2.5, and 21,000 pounds on the 3-inch. Traditionally, the deeper you go on a ball mount, you lose a ton of your towing capacity the further down you go. We were able to, with this cast piece, keep the full towing capacity that's available on for the vehicle. For example, there's several competitors out there that offer a 9-inch drop ball mount, where their towing capacity is 14,500 pounds on the 2.5-inch shank, with a 7,500 pound tow capacity on the 2-inch ball. We're offering a